Hello friends, welcome to our channel 10 minutes code, and today we are going to see how can we web scrape in Python. So first of all, what is mean web scraping? So when we fetch data from websites such as Wikipedia, here this text, these are the text, these are the images. So if we fetch this data, this is called web scraping. So we can do it with Python easily. So if you want to make website which uses the function of web scraping, you can make a Flask website with the help of Python. So here we will see how to web scrape in Python. So we have created a file main.py, which is a Python file, and here we have to install pip install request. So it will request to fetch the URL, and the next is pip install beautiful soup. So it will download this extension, so we can use these packages. So let's see if this works or not. So we will import request, and from excuse me, we don't have to download beautiful soup, we have to download pip install bs4, which is the full form is beautiful soup 4, and I have already installed this. So we will first import request, and after that from bs4, okay, from beautiful soup 4 we will import beautiful soup. Now the next step is to send a HTTP request to the web page from where we want to scrape data. So here we will send a HTTP request. This is the first step. This is a comment, okay. To make a comment colorful, you can download extension called better comments from extension in VS Code. And now we can make one variable URL, and in this variable we can write any websites from where we have to scrape data. For example, let's see, I want to scrape data from nasa.gov. okay. Now we will just copy this link, and here we will paste https slash slash sorry, yeah, it's already written in the copy. So we will make one variable called response, and we will write request dot get, and inside the get function we have to place the variable URL, or you can directly place this link, okay. Now the next step is to parse the content with beautiful soup, okay. So we have to parse the content with beautiful soup. So we can make a variable called soup, and inside the soup we have to write an inbuilt function called beautiful soup, and inside this you can write response dot content. So it will provide us content, and here we have to write html dot parser, so it will parse in HTML, okay. Now the next step is to find elements using tags and attributes. So as you can see in other websites, when we inspect this, we get elements of HTML. So there are many tags here, div, nav and ul. So we can just find the data with the help of tags, okay. So I will write the comment find elements using tags, okay, and we can also use attributes. now we if we have to find the title, so we will make a variable called title, and we will write soup dot title and dot text. So now we will print like this so it can look cool. Title. Now if we want to find all the tags, for let's first run this. Okay, so is there any error here? Cannot import bs4 from, cannot import name beautiful soup from bs4. Let me check. So here we will be capital. Now we will run it again. So there's again one error. So here beautiful spelling is wrong. Sorry, beautiful soup. Yeah. So you can see a title is NASA. So because we have fetched the data from NASA website. For example, now if we go to any other website like top 10 horror movies, and we will select the first website and we will select this link, whole link, and now we will paste this here. So we will just run this and we can see title the 10 scariest horror movies ever, which is web scraped to the website, which is illegal. Okay, now for example, now there's an inbuilt feature where we can find all the elements right with the same tag. So we will make a variable all links, so we will print all the links in this website. Okay, so soup dot find all, this is a built-in function find all, and we have to write a tag. So we will write an anchor tag which is a. Okay, now we will make a for loop for link in all links. Okay, link in all links, and now we will print link one by one. So we will write here link dot get function, and here now this is a tag. Now we have to use the href attribute to copy a link from anchor tag. Okay, so we will write link dot get, and inside that we have to write href. So let's see if it works or not. So these are the links which is available on this website. This all are the links. Okay, for example, I write here, let's remove this. And we will write a paragraph. So it will print all the paragraphs in this. And if I write here h2, so it will print, wait a minute, yeah, it will print all the h2 tags available here. Okay, now this is all we can use with the help in this small code. We can scrape a website. So let me just introduce with the code once again. So first we have to import request and import bs4, which is beautiful soup, which makes our html look cool. And next is first step is to send an http request. So we will make a variable called url, and we will paste a website link from which we have to share the data, and then we will write response variable and request.get url. So here we have fetched the data. Now we have to pass the content with beautiful soup, so we can get it in html. So we will write a soup is equal to beautiful soup, which is inbuilt function, and response.content and comma and html.parser, so it can show it is in html form. Now if you want to print any tag element, so we will write title is equal to soup.title, so it can be paragraph also, it can be heading also. Okay, and for all the links we will use all links function. We will use find all function for all the tags available in this website. So this is how we can scrap any website with the Python, and we can also use to make any other website with the help of Flask, and we can use this thing. Okay, so if you like this video and you want more video like this, so we can just subscribe us and like a video, and thank you.